Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're preparing a chicken recipe. I'm making chili chicken. So this is a quick and easy recipe. And to make it quick, I've used boneless pieces of chicken. I serve this dish with some Chinese style fried rice. I've got the recipe for the fried rice in the description box below. This is a nice combination to make when you have guests over or when you're craving for something different. Ingredients list is mentioned in the description box, so please do check it out. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell and like, share, comment. Let's move into the video. So for this recipe, I'm using boneless pieces of chicken. For that, I've taken chicken breast and cut them into cubes and kept it ready. I've washed and cleaned it and kept it ready. Now we'll prepare a marination for the chicken. So I've taken an egg in a bowl. Into this, we're going to add the rest of the marination ingredients and prepare a paste. So I've got some corn flour in here, which I'm going to add to the egg. Along with that, I'm going to add some all-purpose flour or maida to this. Next, I've added some black pepper powder. I've got some minced garlic and ginger here, which I'm going to add to this marination. Now I'm adding soya sauce to this. Let's mix all of these ingredients into a nice paste. I'm adding salt to taste to the marination. I'm going to add the chicken to this marination and mix it nicely and let it sit for 30 minutes. So I missed out one ingredient, which is green chili sauce, which I'm adding now. Mix well and then let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I've heated some oil in a kadai. I'm going to add the chicken pieces into the oil and fry them nicely. So since we have used the breast portion of the chicken, this will cook really fast, so make sure you don't overcook them. So I've cooked them till they are golden brown. Let's keep this aside and prepare the sauce. For the sauce, I've taken some oil in a pan. And once it's nice and hot, I'm adding the minced garlic and ginger to it. I'm also adding the minced green chilies. Now let's saute it until the raw smell disappears. Now it's time to add the white part of the spring onion, which I've chopped, and also the onions, which I've cubed. Now let's cook the onions until they turn soft. Once the onions are soft, I'm adding in the cubed capsicum and mixing that in as well. Now I'm adding some black pepper powder. followed by some soya sauce, some tomato sauce or tomato ketchup, and some green chili paste. Mix everything together. And we'll make a sauce out of this. Now you can add a little bit of water if you want a little gravy in the chili chicken. So in here I've added some corn flour to some water in the same bowl in which I had marinated the chicken, so that we can use the juice from that as well. Now we're going to add this corn flour slurry into the sauce. This will help thicken the sauce. Now if you feel the sauce is too thick, you can add some warm water. I'm adding salt to taste here and some sugar to taste as well. Mix everything together. And once it comes to a nice boil, I'm going to drop the chicken pieces into it. Now mix the chicken in the sauce until it is really coated in. Now I'm adding the green portion of the spring onion on top and mixing everything together once again. And the chili chicken is ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.